Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Suli.
How do you spell your name?
Sudy.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Susie, what color do you like?
I like red.
And what food do you like?
I like pizza.
And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, Susie, take a look at the screen and tell me, what can he do?
He can jump.
What can he do?
He can throw a ball.
Throw a ball. Good. What can he do?
He can climb.
What can she do?
She can ride a bike.
What can he do?
He can catch a ball.
Good. What can she do?
She can sing.
What can he do?
He can kick.
Perfect. Now tell me, what can you do?
I can swim.
Swim. And what can't you do? What can't you do?
I can climb.
Climb. Good job. Let's go on. Look at this picture, Susie, and tell me, can Mark play football?
Yes, he can.
Yes, he can. Can Sarah play football?
No, he can't.
She
She.
can't. Can George run fast?
Yes, he can.
Great. Can Mark swim?
No, he can't.
Can't. Great. Can Sarah ride a bike?
Yes, she can.
Great. And can George swim?
No, he can't.
Great. And the last, can Mark run fast?
Yes, he can.
Very good job. Let's go on. Now look at this picture and tell me, what can you see? What can you see on this picture?
I see.
I can.
I can see a swing.
Good.
I can see a car.
Good.
I can see a sandpit. I can see a kite. I can see a slide. I can see a dog.
Good. Very nice. Now tell me, where is the car?
The car is next to the swing.
Good. Where is the doll?
The door is under the slide.
Slide. Where is the kite?
The kite is on the seesaw.
Where is the bike?
The bike is next to the sandpit.
And the last, where is the boat?
The boat is on the sandpit.
In.
Is in the sandpit.
Good. Thank you, Lucy. Susie, you did a really good job. See you later. Bye bye.
Goodbye.